going on? Thank you so much for joining me today. I got home and nobody was here. It's very quiet. It's not hot in the apartment, so I figured why not sit down, film a chatty get ready with me. There's a couple new products that I want to try, so I'm excited I get to do that on camera with you guys. I'm especially excited to use this palette. This is by Huda Beauty. It's the new Nude palette. What is this called? The new Nude eyeshadow palette. This is my first ever Huda Beauty product. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say Huda. Huda? Whatever. I don't want to say it because now it sounds weird when I say it. But have you guys seen this palette? I saw it on the website and I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. So I had to get it. Actually, my sister picked it up for me. Thank you, Trina. I wanted to do this on the eyes, and then I was like, I don't feel like getting all, like, putting a nice shirt on. You know, I'm relaxed. I don't want to pretend that I'm even going out. So I figured I would wear my robe that I got. I was in one of my best friend's weddings. I was a bridesmaid, and this was a gift that she got all of us, and I love this robe, seriously. Literally the day before the wedding, I had told my boyfriend and my best friend, I was like, guys, I'm like dying for a robe. And the next day, bam, I got one, and I love this one. So this is just a chill, get ready with me in my robe. Let's hang out, let's chat, and drink our coffee. I had Starbucks already once today, and it was so bad that I was like, you know what, let me try it. Let me go to a different Starbucks. Let's see how it is. This one isn't as bad, but it's not that good. I zoomed you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna use the Revlon PhotoReady Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. It has a pump, it's a little squeezy tube. I really like this packaging. I think it's really easy. But I'm just squirting some on my finger. I'm just, you know, sliding it, not sliding it, I'm swiping it on my face. And I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender, and let's see how I like it after it's all blended out. Okay, so overall, my skin looks really good. It's not full coverage. I'm sure maybe you can do a second layer. I personally just don't like layering foundations, so maybe you can get like a high medium from it. But so far, so good. I'm gonna let it sink in, and while it's sinking in, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm sorry, guys. You know that I can't talk. I'm just here to do some makeup and have fun. You know what I mean? I wanted to ask you guys too, are you guys fans of Instagram lives? I have been dying to do one, but I'm gonna like start a live video and nobody is going to be there to watch me. So I'm a little nervous, but if you guys are interested in it, let me know. I wanna, like, you know, get my Instagram really going, get it popping a little bit, you know? Filling in my eyebrows off camera. I'm done. Don't I look so much better with brows? Yes. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can do this eyeshadow. A lot of my brushes are dirty, so I can't use my favorite brush. This is the E35. It has like bright orange on it. I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to go in with the E40, which is, it's good. It's like, this is number 2. The E35 is number 1. Did I say E35? Yeah. Let's go into, this is going to be hard. Shoot, give me a second. I'm going to go into Play, but I'm also going to go into Bare too. I just don't want this look to be peachy at all. So, and I feel like Play is a bit peachy in my opinion. So I'm just going to place this in my crease. This is my blending shade. You guys know the deal. You don't have to be precise with this at all. You can just go crazy if you want. Play actually doesn't look that bad. It is like a peachy pink. I kind of wish they would have just kept it like a light pink. I don't know why they thought that color. I don't know. Doesn't it look a little too peachy? I could be crazy, okay? I could. But I think that's pretty good for now as a transition. I go into Tickle, which is right here. And this is just gonna go in the crease. These matte shadows remind me of Too Faced's matte shadows, and those are my favorite. So far, so good. I really, really like these. I really like the texture of the eyeshadow, if that makes any sense. I like that they blend well. They're not patchy, they're not dry. You guys know I like to use like 10 colors in the crease. So I eventually want to use Spanked, which is pink, and I never really use pink eyeshadows, guys. So this is like a first for me. So I want to use Spanked, but before I get into Spanked, it's like the 3rd time I said it, I'm going to use Teddy, which is this one right here. I am in love with these shadows, guys. Oh my god, they're great. At least the 3, 4 that I've used, they're awesome. Okay, now it's time for Spanked. I'm gonna pick it up with my Sigma E36. I already have some on the brush, and I'm gonna put this right in the crease. And this isn't gonna be as far up as the first two shades that I used. This is gonna be more precisely in the crease, but because this brush is so thin and fluffy, it's gonna blend it out as I'm going back and forth. This is honestly a good brush, not only if you have small eyes, but even if you have big eyes, it is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead, pick up Spanked on the Sigma E25 again, and I'm putting it in the outer V too. I don't know why I was leaving that blank. I didn't really think about it. I'm in like that cut crease mode, you know? I've been posting a lot on Instagram of that cut crease that I did with the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. But I just kind of want to just do an easy eye look today. Nothing crazy, you know? Something that everybody can do. That's typically what I like doing. You guys know that anyway, so. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I feel like I need just a little bit more of like a darker color in the outer V. So I am going to take my EcoTools smudge brush. I'm picking up Love Bite, this one right here. And I'm just going to put that in the outer V, as I mentioned before. Okay, so this palette comes with like a concealer. I guess I'll use it. I never really do that unless obviously I'm doing a cut crease, but I don't really know what to do and I don't want to mess this look up. So I'm going to use a little bit of the concealer in this palette and then we're going to go from there. I'm going to put Daydream all over my lid. Well, just in the inner portion. I should probably use this color with my finger, right? But I'm not very good with my finger. Oh yeah, oh my god. Really hope you guys were able to see that, but I'm going to spray my brush with Fix Plus. I don't know, this is a little fallouty, a lot of fallouty with a brush like not wet. With the finger it looked beautiful. I really hope you guys can see that, but I just wet my brush. It looks a lot better. I mean, what do you expect? This is like a super chunky, glittery eyeshadow, so. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it up a little since I always use my favorite. This is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna switch it up and use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I really like this. I know a lot of people are in love with the foundation, which I would love to try. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't like this. I don't have a problem with it. I think it's good. I don't think it's like full coverage. It's not like the Too Faced one, but it does the job for me. I can't complain. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. I love this setting powder so much. They sent it to me like on a whim. They send me little things here and there, which I'm not complaining. I'm very thankful for it. So now I'm going to go in and highlight right underneath my eyebrow. And of course, I'm going to use the shade Bare. I'm gonna quickly do my mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex. They also sent me this mascara on a whim, and this mascara is making me like more volume than length. I'm a length person, but this one, I don't know, I'm confused now. Okay, let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm taking Love Bite, lining it close to my lash line, and then blending everything out with a mixture of Spanked and Tickle. Did I put mascara on the lower lashes? Yes, but I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It's a little bit smaller and I won't get mascara everywhere. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweethearts Sweet Tea Bronzer, and I'm gonna bronze up with my EcoTools Full Setting Brush. I was looking through my makeup and I found this blush and I thought it would be perfect to go with this eyeshadow palette. It's by the Balm DownBoy. Look how pretty this is. You can't tell me this won't go with this eyeshadow, okay? Okay, for highlighter, I have this Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo in, I don't know, but it looks like this. The highlighter is very pinky. I don't think you can see it on camera really, but I never really use it because it's so pink. So I felt like today is the perfect day to use it. So I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks, down my nose, wherever else I want to put it. All right guys, we're almost done. I am taking off my bakage. Lips, I'm doing the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. But first, I'm lining my lips with the Milani Easy Liner for Lips in Most Natural. I love this look so much. Lastly, I'm gonna use setting spray MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm also gonna be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This one smells good at first, and then it smells like a wet dog. It's so freaking weird, but it just does. All right, everyone, so my look is complete. I am in love with my makeup today. It's so pinky, so purpley. I love this eyeshadow palette. I'm looking forward to trying the shades out a little bit more. I need to work with the glittery shades, but gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm like so happy with this look. I'm like, am I dreaming or something? I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these chit chat get ready with me's. I really actually didn't chit chat that much, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I'm always trying to do like requested videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.